Wow, did you see the game last night? It was terrifying. Let's go this way. I keep pressing C instead of the other button. Run instead of fast forward. The fast forward doesn't even really work that well. Not in this game, at least. Alright, what do we got? Amistar. Amistar versus Aaron. What do you got, Aaron? You got metal. Getting metal. I say metal, I mean steel. Same difference, right? Really? That's what you make me feel. You make me feel. Flame charge. Why? Why though? Okay, apparently that doesn't do a lot, but you're still poisoned, so... I'm gonna use Home Claws. That's terrifying. That was even less than poisoned. Oh, Sludge Bomb. That was even less than Sludge Bomb. Poison Bomb. Same difference, right? Poison type attack, it's bomb. Same difference. Okay, I think the next one is Skyla, so let's maybe heal? Just a little bit. No, I didn't mean to press B, I meant to press A. A for Aaron. What sucks is that after Gen 6, Hyper Potions don't do 200 damage, or 200 recovery. They only do fucking 120, and that sucks because you used to be able to buy like 6 Hyper Potions and be completely done with having to buy them. You just beat the game with 6 Hyper Potions because it was easy. Now it's hard. Stupid. Well, games became easier. The buying stuff became some more stupid. Why are you kicking me? I'm a giant green thing, just like you. Why would you kick me? Wow, you actually can learn that move. I'm pretty sure that's like one of your signature moves, is Vacuum Wave. I keep lowering your speed, but you're faster than me somehow, sometimes. How does that work? Okay. Who'd you call out? Nidoqueen? Called out Nidoqueen. Nidoqueen has 2 moves that are super effective against you. You ain't got nothing on Nidoqueen. And he will destroy you. Good job, Aaron. You wanna blow bubbles? Please don't blow bubbles. Okay. Okay, so let's go. Boom! Yeah, next is Skyla, so... Oh yay, I get to be rammed into the wall by a cannon. I get to be shot out of a cannon into a wall. Can't wait for that to happen. This one, I think it is, yeah. Slap! There we go, splat. Hello. Fight me. Weak ass motherfucker. Like, I haven't found too many legendaries on trainer battles. Wow, you have a bird! Very nice! Kaden, come out. got something to talk about, bird. It's called How Come You're a Bird? You should have been something else. You could have been a lawyer, maybe even a doctor. You chose bird. What kind of profession is that? Flap your wings and screech all day? I mean, mood, but you don't have to. Being a professional bird takes a lot of time and energy. You know, you gotta eat all of the strawberries before anybody else can, and then you get mad at somebody when they don't pay attention to you. It's very time-consuming. Not to mention, you get to be an asshole. Why would you do that? You're just gonna kill yourself with the fucking sand. The sand will kill you, bird. Professional bird. Ha! Told you the sand would kill you. Dumbass. Kaden. Electric. Hey, Aaron, no, it has levitate. Never mind. Sometimes I forget certain Pokemon have certain abilities, and they're not randomized. So, yeah. It's like randomized moves or randomized abilities. I'm not doing both. And I was like, moves, because I feel like I could find some really cool movesets. Sludge Mini. Why do you have wing attack? I mean Fliper Beam. Why do you have Fliper Beam? Alright. 33. Harmful. No, I have Sacred Fire on the Switch. Is this your last Pokemon is a level 35 Morphle? Oh my god. I told you Skylo was a bitch. Just gonna kill Amy, aren't you? Oh, the sandstorm petered out. Goodbye. Little bitch baby. Thank you for the badge. It took less than 10 minutes for me to get the badge from you. And by that I mean it took me less than 10 minutes to fight, or was it less than 10? I don't know, it took me about 10-12 minutes to fight this entire gym. It's not bad, is it? I mean, speedrunners, but still. They do everything fast. I'm just a slow bitch. Oh, there's N. Hi, N. I don't care about your fucking Pokemon. Caden's an asshole. Why are you asking Caden? You know, ask Aaron instead. He'll give you a better answer. I don't give a shit. Go away. Fucking asshole. Is the item down here now? No, yes. No, of course not. Why would it be? Forget what triggers that item to be there. Alright. Healing up! Alrighty then. Well, at least our team is looking good now. Even though it was looking good before. Let's lead with Aaron. Did I mention it was time for me to leave? Goodbye.